This aerosol can has plenty of liquid inside of WD-40, but when I try to use it and spray it, it doesn't work upright or upside down. Nada. And here's another aerosol can with some hair product inside, and when I try to spray it, hardly anything comes out, even though there is probably a quarter of the can is still available. And that means the pressurized air is gone before the product itself. But don't throw it away just yet, because you can refill it with some air yourself. And for that you'll need some kind of air pump, an air compressor, tire pump, or a cheap bicycle, or a ball pump like this will work just fine with a needle extension. And if you look closer at the needle, you will notice two auxiliary holes on the sides, in addition to the main hole in the middle. But those holes on the sides will need to be covered with some kind of tape. A small piece like that should work, just roll it around the needle. Those auxiliary holes are needed to inflate a ball at faster rate, but I need the air to come out from the center hole only for this to work. And now it's a good time to put some safety glasses on. And to recharge the can with the pressurized air, it's better to flip it upside down. Because if you look inside of it, the fill tube goes all the way to the bottom of the can, which is actually on the top now. And the remaining liquid should be on the opposite side. And when you pump the air in this position upside down, no liquid should backfire at you, creating a mess. Since I don't have an extra pair of hands to pump the air, I will be using a tire pump that I hooked up to a 12-volt battery. I just need to transfer the needle from the hand pump to the tire pump. Also, it's a good idea to wear a pair of gloves, just in case, and maybe cover the can you're trying to inflate and pressurize with the plastic bag for some additional protection. And now, I'm ready to fill it up. Now, I'm not sure how much pressure it can take, so I will be on the cautious side and do a few bursts for a few seconds. It's better to underfill it than overdo it, because that can be unsafe. This should be enough pressure, at least for now. I can always add some more if I need to. So let's put the cap back on and test it out. Well, it definitely worked, so I'm glad I didn't throw it in the trash. And since it works so well on the WD-40 spray can, it should work on the hairspray, right? Let's find out. And I will also put it in the bag, just in case. I feel the can is getting warmer from the air being squeezed into the tight space, and that's a normal reaction. That should be enough. Let's put the cap back on and test it out. Well, it worked as well. And if you found this video informative, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.